Well, hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Shelly Banks Reviews, where on this channel I hope that you can withdraw something great from me and deposit into you. Now we're gonna get right into it today because I got something special for you. I have been waiting and anticipating this great release from none other than Glamlite, and I finally got my palettes here, so I want to share with you guys what I'm thinking. Okay guys, I was so excited to receive this package from Glamlite. I had put in my order and my purchase, and I've been waiting for about a little over 2 weeks, so I'm so excited to share this with you guys. This is what my outer carding packaging looks like. This is the Scooby Doo Creeps and Crawls eyeshadow palette. I did purchase the bundle. I did not get the full collection. I purchased the 2 palettes and I also purchased one of the lipsticks. So the palette that I'm going to be reviewing today is the Creeps and Crawls eyeshadow palette. And it looks like this. And then when I open it up, you guys, I'm trying to tell you, the beauty that lies on the other side of this palette is so amazing. I mean, I am wearing this palette on my eyes today, and the colors blended so well. They blended effortlessly. You're gonna have a lot of fun with this palette. I encourage you to please go out and pick it up. Even if you got like palettes on top of palettes on top of palettes, and you guys are gonna hear me say that in my reviews. But listen, girl, go get this. It's everything. So I'm about to show you guys this beautiful goodness, and I just want you to embrace it. She pretty, right? I mean, she is beautiful. 10 shades. I mean, this is vampy. You can do some plums. I mean, it's just so much that you can do with this palette. I'm going to swatch the colors that I did use on my eyes today to get this look. So one of the things that I do realize is that this palette does not have shade names. It did come with a little sheet that gave me shade numbers, and I don't really know how that is effective for this palette when you're trying to explain what shades you use. So we're just gonna go from like top to bottom or whatever. In my crease, I actually use this color right here, this like plummy-ish type of color. It is a beautiful, beautiful, like a lilac type of shade. Might not really show up all that well. It's like a pinky lilac. I'm loving it. I mean, I'm just loving this shade. So I did use that in my crease, and then on my lid, I'm gonna tell you guys just how I how I applied this shadow. This is what that color is looking like. It's like a teal bluish type of color, teal green. I did put this shade on my lid, and that is what it's looking like. Swatched. I'm gonna give you all a better swatch than that, because who am I kidding? Like, that's not even making sense. I'm gonna go back into that. Like, the color actually reminds me of Max Heroin. So yeah, so that's what that's looking like. Those are the 2 shades I used so far. And then I went in, what did I do next? Oh, I went back, well, not back in, I went into this burgundy type of shade right here. And I did use it on my lower lash line. I mean, just every shade is just filled with a beauty. I mean, I can't even. And blendability is there. So that's the shade that I did put on my lower lash line. And then the very last shade that I used is this one right here. And like I said, I really wish these had names, but this color right here just did it for me. This shimmer, I applied it on, and I'm really hoping it's showing up for you guys, but I applied it on the inner corners of my eye, and it is so, so beautiful. These shimmers in here are beautiful. Do I encourage you to go out and buy this eyeshadow palette? Absolutely. Please don't hesitate. I'm just reviewing this one today. This is the Creeps and Crawls. Really wish I had this in time for Halloween when I was doing those Halloween looks. But again, that's what the theme is based off of, Scooby Doo. But you can use this palette year round because I am going to have this in my hand for the rest of the fall season because it is beautiful fall colors in here. Guys, this is the eyeshadow palette. Beauty in a box. Definitely creamy, blendable, wearable, versatile. Great for a night out, great for a party night out, great for a date night out, great for any night out, great for any time you want that smoky, vampy, beautiful type of look. So don't hesitate on it. Do not sleep on this, guys. Take a little bit of coins and go on out and pick this up, okay? I thank you guys for watching. If you are interested in a fall look, please do not hesitate to check out this video right here, or you could be watching the video that YouTube thinks that's best for you. So please do not hesitate to click on this video right here. You need to watch it. You need to really watch that. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Come on back, guys. Let's do this all over again. I thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.